Want to create faceless videos like this in just a few clicks? Go to ShortsKit.ai and create a new account. Click on Create New Video and choose the Use Template option. Then describe your video, choose the media type, and set how long you want it to be. Next, pick your favorite voice and tweak its style. Add immersive background music and hit Generate Video. And that's it. Your faceless video is done and ready to post. You can preview it, make edits, and export it. And here's the final result.
What if I told you that Hercules' triumphs hid a secret that ultimately led to his tragic final moments? Born with incredible strength, he completed impossible labors. Lion, Hydra, boar, victories that thrilled the world but angered gods watching from Olympus. Each trophy tells a story. Club gouged by monster teeth, lion's pelt soaked with struggle. Proof of glory and mounting divine resentment. His journey spanned kingdoms and the underworld. Each mark on the map is a life-risking trial that shaped the man and enraged the gods. Poisoned by a tunic his wife unwittingly gave, he immolates himself on a pyre, flames consuming the mortal frame while gods argue over his fate above. In the end, Zeus grants apotheosis. Hercules rises to Olympus, mortal pain replaced by immortal legend. Share if you want more myth stories.